How you doing, guys? Welcome back to my homie casa. It's tu casa, and today I have a June BoxyCharm unboxing, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I have, because this beauty right here is my heavy compared to any other box that I have received from them. So if you want to stay and see what I have, I invite you to do so. Okay, guys, so I am going to show you the first product, and I already opened it, and I'm not going to lie, I couldn't wait. So this is the Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This is a total of $28 container. So you're getting 10 grams a container, and it's worth $28. So this is $1 more worth of what you will pay for the BoxyCharm monthly to come to your house, which is $27 because I got the base box. So $28. Did I read it right? Yes. This eye balm stick delivers the lip from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in lines around the eyes. You will feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed, energized, so you can glow and get it. Yes, and this is again a $28 worth. Looks like this, and this is what you get. It's like a little stick, kind of reminds me of deodorant, you know. And it smells peppermint. It smells like peppermint. So yeah, that's this box. And the little card that brings the information. And by the way, the theme for this one is Oasis. So yeah, they gave me this in there with the box. And I also had a coupon code for you guys to go into KylieSkin.com. I will post this code in the description box below if you guys are interested. So let's just go to the next product. The next product that I picked, that I received in the box, is the KP Pumper Eraser Body Scrub, 10% of AHA, safe for sensitive skin. So if you guys are sensitive, I'll totally, they totally recommend this. I already opened and tried it. I don't know if you guys see my hand all grainy right here, but it's very, very grainy, which I don't mind. And I'm gonna tell you what it does. It says the bump eraser, fast acting, resurfacing body treatment, contains chemical and physical exfoliators that works together to deliver the benefit of a chemical peel and microdermabrasion at once. This hard-working scrub helps improve skin texture and smooth away bumps and stubborn scaly areas. So if you have very dry skin and you got skin that peels off, this is this is work for you. It says it's good for sensitive skin, but I'm gonna be honest, guys. I took a little bit, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. But this product, as you can see, it's like that. But it's very, very grainy. Actually, to the point that, to me, if you have sensitive skin, I don't think you're going to be able to use this. Because I put a little bit on my skin, and that was a while ago before making this video. Or as I was making this video, and then the camera fell, so I couldn't, the phone fell, so I couldn't finish. I had to restart it all over. I was doing this for a good couple of seconds as I was talking in the video, and my skin started getting irritated. So do I think it's a good product for your body, exfoliating your body? Yes, I do think, because it feels like when you go to the ocean and you put your hands inside the sand, wet sand, and you pick up and then you go like this to it, that's exactly what it feels like. But I do believe that if you want to stay in one area and work that area, it kind of irritates your skin. At least it does to me. I'm very sensitive, so yeah, that's that. So the next product that I'm going to show you is the CAB Lip Liner and Lip Gloss Duo, in which I already have it on. Love the color. The container looks like this. I should say the box looks like that, and then the containers like this. So, to be honest, It's not retractable. And if you ask me for a total of cosmetic lip duo, this is $40. I wouldn't mind probably paying $20 for this, but I will have a problem paying $20 for this. Why I'm gonna say that? Because even though it's a duo, I say I'll take it back because I thought the lipstick was not retractable. I wasn't gonna be able to do this, you know, and pull more lipstick. But actually it does have more lipstick, but I do take it back because when I went to do that, it moved and it kind of went up, but then this thing came up and now it's not working. It's not going up. So maybe I have a bad batch. I don't know. But must say, the formula is very smooth for the lip gloss. It's not tacky at all. It doesn't stick. It's just nice and smooth. I like the formula. I like the lip liner also because it went in very smooth. It wasn't dry. It glide very easily around my lips. Very nice, and it blends easily with the lip gloss. So for that particular reason, I will pay $40. But the fact that this one came broken down here, I'm a little pissed off. But other than that, you know, I like it. And again, that was $40. But it says here, I'm going to read you the information. Duo has everything you need to create the glossy lip glow. The glossy lip you always wanted. The vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out of town or casual everyday look. Use the liner and the lip gloss together or each on their own. Now, to be honest, I don't smell no vanilla flavor. Or maybe my allergies are attacking me. I don't know. But I don't smell nothing. I do know that it has like kind of like a pump reaction. You know? So I like that. So, yeah. What's the next thing? This is the Laura Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette Cream to Powder Trio. I already tried it. This is the shade Nude. And I just love, let me come a little closer. I don't know if you can tell. But I do have some in my eyelash. In my eyelid, I should say. Some in my eyelids. And it's this beautiful color right here. And I am going to swatch it for you guys. This is how it looks. And then the cream, this brown color right here, chocolate color. Beautiful, it looks like that. And then this beautiful golden one right here that you can use as a highlighter is this one right here. You can barely see it, but it truly goes from creamy to powder very quick, but it's not like a creamy to powder that is too powdery. It's still smooth, it's still sliced, very nice, and it still works easily. What I mean by we're able to blend it in. So so I'm gonna put a little bit more so you guys can see. And I just like the color, and it's buildable, very buildable, very nice. So that's how it looks. And I went up there, guys, because I kind of put some here and I kind of messed up my eyelash, and if I move it a little bit more, it's gonna pop out. So this baby right here, again, this is the Laura Geller Multitasking Cream 2 Powder Trio. It has three well multitasking cream to powder face palette. Includes 2 blemishes, Demon Mate, and Subtle Shimmer. Each shade can be used on various parts of the face, including the lips, the eye, and the cheeks. The silky, smooth, transformative texture goes on like a cream for easily blending and finish like a powder for a long-lasting color payoff. And I'm going to say it does just right, but I don't know if you guys can see that glow. Right there on the nose, right on the forehead, right here on top of the lips. That is this one right here, which I think is very nice. It's just the perfect glow without overdoing it. At least for me, I think this is going to be my go-to eye shadow, eye triple duo, whatever you want to call it. And that was actually $24. So last but not least, I have this. This is the Kylie Skin from Kylie Jenner, and this is a foaming face wash. This is 5 ounces, and this says the foaming face wash infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity, which mamita likes. This dental formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. So it's like this. I like the fact that it's not glass. I was scared because I was like, oh my God, how about if I drop it in the bathroom? And that side, but I want to show you how it makes, hold on guys, that it makes foam. So there you go, see? I don't know why over there didn't want to make no foam, but that is it, guys. It does make more, but I have both of the great hands grainy from the other products. So being that said, I think that's why it's not foaming. But anyway, it does. And that particular product, it is worth $24 if I didn't say. So that is my BoxyCharm for you guys today on